Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 11. I'm going to quickly go over with you the instructions for this week so that you know what's going on. So, continuing to build on last week with Onshape, we talked about, I think, what was that, multi-view sketches and, no, I think I'm confused. Let me go back and double check. Making holes and constraining your sketches. So now we are pretty much pros at that. We understand, maybe not pros, but we understand what they do and we understand how they work. So now we're going into week 11 and we're going to talk about section views. And we're actually going to talk about more than just section views. We're going to talk about other types of views that you can have in your multi-view sketches or in your drawings in those border and title blocks. So the first thing I want you to check out is the section view PowerPoint. This goes over what a section view is. It talks about what a section view looks like, what it does, what the purpose is. So check that out for me first. Then you've got the section view worksheet. This worksheet, I want you guys to print out, which I will have in class for you. But if you're at home, obviously you'll need to get it printed out. And then you'll just follow along with what it says. Now, it says here, print out this assignment and then complete on paper. Then replace the photos that are there with the finished pictures of your assignment. So I would take this, delete it, and put in my picture that I've drawn on paper. That way I can see your finished one and you can get it easily submitted on this document. So you're just going to follow along with these directions and you're going to complete them for whatever they ask. For example, the first one says, study the multi-view drawing shown in figure 9. This multi-view includes a section view AA, and the position that a front view would normally be. So this would be where the front view would be. And it's going to be the section view. So it says, add a cutting plane along the line of symmetry in the right view that corresponds with section AA. Add the missing object lines. And we're going to go through this with at least with the first problem to give you some assistance. So once I do that in class, you should be good to go and understand what this is asking. And then obviously there are 2 problems for this assignment. Cool. I only actually have 2 assignments for you this week. I want you to check out this creating a section view in Onshape. We're going to utilize this more next week, but I want you to be familiar with how you might do that. And then finally, it's the 1.3.6 views project. So this is going over all the different views that you can have when we talk about section view, projection view, auxiliary view. So background, there are a ton of different views that you can create in technical drawings. This project will have you dive deeper into those different types of views and how you might use them. Directions. You will be creating a Google slide presentation that will explain the different types of views that you can show in Onshape. Not only will you mention them all, you will also give a definition of that view. So with the views listed below, you will give that definition, when you would use that view or why, and show an example of what that view looks like, and then give a picture of what that tool would look like. All right? So here are the 8 different types of view: insert view, projected view, auxiliary view, section view, broken out section view, detail view, break view, and then revolve view. I give you some links that you can use, but you'll probably have to do more research outside of the links that I have given you. When finished, attach your Google slide presentation to the assignment. Do not share it with me. If you share it with me, I won't grade it. I need you to attach that presentation so that I can view it easily. There are no requirements for number of slides. You just need to make sure that you cover enough information to help explain what each view is and why you would use it in enough words that make sense to me and your classmates. Treat it as like a presentation project. You're not actually presenting it to the class, but I want you to give enough information that it could be presented to the class. So those are the only 2 assignments I have for you this week. They should be pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Again, we're going to go over the section view worksheet together so that you're not confused, at least the first step, and then you'll be good to do the rest of it by yourself. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email in Schoology. Do not wait till Sunday to start your work, because if you shoot me an email in Schoology on Sunday, I'm not going to answer it. There's no way. All right? I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in class.